Hey, I'm Laura Zalenga. I'm a photographer specialized on self-portraits, and today we're going to look at how I crop my images. So, of course, first thing is that I select my crop tool. It stays in the ratio that I already have naturally. If you don't want that, you can change that here and choose another one, but I don't want that right now. I crop the top off, and you see at the sides that it keeps the ratio. And one more thing that I want to look at is that up here you see rule of thirds, grid, diagonal, triangle, and golden ratio or spiral. And here you see the lines for the cropping, and you can choose to have your object like on one of the lines or in one of the crossings even. And that is scientifically proven, aesthetically pleasing to the eye.